All right. So the key is to position yourself like so the back of your car is sort of like almost reverse parking, and then the P will just pop up, tap the brake, shift to reverse, hit start. So one tap. Let's see, we got someone behind us. So this is like real life situation, you know. I'm not making this up, no edits here. One tap parking. So yeah, one tap to also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Tesla DMV, lots of FSD beta content, self-driving challenges, all sorts of Tesla content. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate everyone watching. You saw how simple that was. A plus on the parking. With the sun in my eye, it actually did better than I could. So yeah, thanks again for watching this, guys, and I hope you all have a great day.